Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetrading.system.com, making this video about Bitcoin, right? And I'm still in the Jackson Memorial Hospital. Tomorrow morning, I guess that the surgeon who did the surgery on my wife will come, and then probably he's gonna let us know when I'm gonna be out of here. All right. So let's see what happened. Anyway, so I'm still here, and then you know. So let's get started with this video. I made a video a few days ago, last week, I guess, right, about the Bitcoin, and so far so good. It's still on track. So this is, I'm going to go over a few charts, a Bitcoin monthly chart, which was made on August 23rd, right? And today, well, it's just November 24th starting. Right? Yesterday was the 23rd, 50 minutes into 24. So yeah, so this is my ideal wave count: wave one, wave two, and then I said wave three is probably finish here, and then we're gonna drop for wave four. Now wave four usually is equal or bigger than wave two. In wave two, you can see that we have one, two, three. I mean, sorry, A, B, C, right? Three-wave fashion, and this is called zigzag fashion or the fast fashion, right? Steep drop. So the rule of alternation requires that wave four would be something different, means maybe either a flat correction or a triangle correction, right? So now it can come down here to 38% or even sometimes 50%, or it should not be going into the territory of wave one. So it should be above this area here, and then it could be like A, B, C, or A, B, C, D, E for a triangle, and then break out to the upside. So far, my first, my take was this, that is going to come down here. So the last video I made, I was here, but we were here, let this chart, right? And it dropped a little bit more. But the weekly chart is the one that shows the in it, or you can see here the inner structure of these wave counts in wave three, the black count, right? So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if you look at this is what happened: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and wave three ended, right? Now we need wave four, and it should, like I said, that it can be like A, B, C correction, or A, B, C, D, E triangle, and then breakout. So I think the first target was this steel, right? And so far, the price started to drop, and this is the chart I made on 15th. I had a short order as well, and again, the target was the TL, and you can see now exactly what happened is that this is right now current. I just recorded like a few minutes ago. So we finally came down and hit the TL at 38%, and then kind of like pulling back. So, and then the way it bounced from here, from the TL and the 38%, telling me that maybe this is wave A is finished of it, either flat or a triangle, right? So let's go and take a look at this live chart here. This is the live chart here. So this is, I would say that this is A. Okay, I will make the count like A. And now it's going to bounce from here and then go back up for B, maybe to this high, or even higher than this here somewhere or here somewhere, right? Like this. And then it will come down here again for C. That would be a flat correction. So A, let's say B here. I would not be like confirm here, so I'm gonna say a question. Excuse me. This is A. This can be B with the question mark, and then it could be like a double top or here, 61%, 78%, time will tell. And then C, whoops, B here. And then I would say C would be here somewhere, right? Okay, so this is the way I see it, that this might be, or it can go and make a double top and then double bottom, something like that, right? So A, B, C, that will make sense as a wave four, because wave two, you can see again, that's a B, C. Bigger than that could be like this, but this is just one simple drop, cannot be wave 4. Right, it's not the end of it. So, but now what is going to happen now? I think that we are going to bounce from this 38% and the TL and then go up. So for now, the stats is to the upside. My bias is to the upside. That is going to bounce from here and then go up, maybe to this low or this high somewhere, or this high, right? So this is it for now, right? This is what I'm looking at, A, B, C. I'm gonna do a little bit more, refine the chart, and then I record it as a before chart later on. I'm just showing you quickly in this video so that I can end the video fast, because the nurse can come anytime and interfere, right? So this is it for now, and hopefully talk to you guys later in the gold video or something else, right? Bye for now, and talk to you guys later. What do I do? What do I do? What do I do? 23rd November. Oh, let me just finish this first. Whoops. Okay. And recording.